Hindi ka kasi nakikinig sa intuition mo dahil kay lagi ka naluluko. Uy! Ay, sorry. Sorry, excuse me po. We have the moon here, guys. Meaning to say, meron naman kayong gut feeling, no? Sa mga makikinig ditong live na to, meron ka namang gut feeling. Hindi mo nga lang ginagamit sa tamang paraan. Ginagamit mo lalo sa overthinking instead of clarity of your life, instead of the path, the ways of your life, okay? Saan mo dadalhin yung sarili mo? What I'm seeing here is na betrayed ka. It's for the reason na you always sacrificing yourself for other people. So what I am seeing here is that kahit sirang-sira na yung relasyon mo, yung friendship mo, kung ano man tong bagay sa life mo na sira na, wag lang ang pasensya mo, uy, charis. So nakikita ko dito na palagi kayong nag-aayos, palagi kayong nag insist palagi kayo ang nag-i-insist resolving the conflicts. And dahil dyan, bihira kayong makakita ng tao na mag stay sa life nyo or mga kaibigan na loyal sa inyo kasi you guys are lowering yourself for other people. And what I'm seeing here is that marami sa inyo ang maraming breakthrough or may mga breakthrough na pinagdadaanan. It could be you guys are surprised to know about your person, you guys are being betrayed, you guys are changing things in your life, and this is not a good news for you kasi Nine of Wands is here. So most of you guys, you've been betrayed, you are dealing with something na hindi nyo gusto, and you are asking why? Why? Don't you deserve love? Well, actually, you do deserve love. Everyone deserves to be loved and loved. But you are not giving it to yourself, girl. You are not taking care of yourself. You have to reparent yourself, meaning to say, to take care, to care for yourself, to uh, learn from yourself, to teach yourself what? To be matured with your decisions, to be more matured with your financial, to teach yourself that strength is not just when you wanted to break someone, but strength comes from your inspiration, motivation. Your strength will comes from your creativity, from your visions. Your strength is within, and you need to trigger it right now. Kasi marami sa inyo ang puro na lang emosyon ang inuuna kesa makinig sa logic nila. Pasintabi lang ha. No hate, no shade. Girl, nakikita ko dito na you can change your life for the better, but you have to be really patient about yourself. You need to be patient to yourself. Kung pasensyoso kayo sa mga tao sa paligid nyo, pues gawin nyo yan sa sarili nyo. Why? Because it needed for you to move forward from these people na hindi kayo kayang pahalagahan, for you to be able to build something for yourself. And nakikita ko dito na kaya nyong mag-success mag-isa. Hindi nyo kailangan ng partner for now. Hindi nyo kailangan ng mga taong hihilahin kayo because most of the people you are surrounding yourself are the people that's just gonna use you. Okay, nakikita ko dito na if you are single right now, don't worry about it. There is someone coming for you, but it's blurred for now because you need to reparent and learn maturity um, for yourself. You have to learn what love is. You have to learn to love yourself, and then abundance will come. Peace, silence will come. You are about to embrace your feminine energy if you're a woman watching this video, and if you're um uh men watching this video, you are about to embrace your masculinity. Okay, so girl, wake up, trust your intuition, use your logic for now, and be patient with yourself. Teach yourself, be a parent to yourself.